Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today you're gonna be smoking with your boy Manual Focus. You already seen that thumbnail. Hey, we smoking those absolutely delicious chicken quarters. Now, I'm using my Pecos offset smoker. We're going 275 degrees, but without further ado, hey, let's go down to this workstation, get these chicken quarters prepped so we can put these on the smoker, and we'll see you guys at the workstation. Right, we got our chicken quarters here, going in with 4. Now, here's the thing, what I absolutely love about chicken quarters. First is they're inexpensive, and then they're absolutely delicious. So easy recipe, fam. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off, a little excess skin and fat, get them trimmed up a little bit, right? So nothing major, just like hanging pieces like that. But with the skin, I'm gonna keep like some of the skin on, but then I'm gonna take some of the skin off. You can keep it on there if you like. Again, this will be, flavor. If you like it, you crisp up that skin the right way, hey, you in the game, fam. And I just want to inspect the back, see how we look. Like I said, I'm gonna take some of this excess off, and you can leave it on if you like, but I'm just gonna trim it. And I'm just saying, make it look good like that right there. I'm gonna keep that on there, so that's fine. Let's get a little bit of that out, and then that's perfect right there. I'm gonna finish the rest of these up, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with some avocado oil. I'm gonna use this as a binder, and then also, fam, this is gonna help assist getting this chicken skin crispy. And fam, what I'm gonna also do is I'm gonna pull the skin back. I'm gonna try not to rip it, so we'll pull the skin back like so. And what we're gonna do, hey, we're gonna season this underside of this meat. All right, fam, we're gonna go ahead and get these seasoned. What I'm rolling with, it's a Kinder's garlic butter rub, and I use this for Thanksgiving, fam. I'm gonna tell you, it's absolutely delicious. And like I said, we're gonna go and we're gonna season that meat first underneath that skin. Make sure you hit those sides. Hey, we ain't gonna leave no bare chicken, right? And then we're gonna fold the skin back like so, and we're gonna flip them over because we want to season this back side too. All right, fam, we're on the front side, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more of that avocado oil. Like I said, I want that skin to crisp up on me, so we'll season that front side. This is the presentation side. Now what I'm gonna do too is I'm gonna hit it with some pepper. I got some 16 mesh pepper that I'm gonna come back and coat this outside with after I hit it with this garlic rub. And fam, you can use whatever barbecue rub that you like, and I will be saucing these up, so this will be like a nice little compliment to some barbecue sauce, right? Get that little garlic flavor. Ooh-wee. And you got all that seasoning on that board. Hey man, don't waste no seasoning. Hey, get that on that chicken. All right, fam, last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with that 16 mesh pepper. Yes, sir. Put it on that top like that, and fam, we ready to go on that smoker, going 275 degrees. Now with these right here, we probably gonna take them about 175, 180. We may even hit 185, but I'm gonna tell you, just because this is dark meat, they can take a little bit more of the heat than like a chicken breast or a wing or whatnot. But fam, let's go ahead and get these on the smoker, and we're gonna be in the game. All right, fam. Hey, that pit's ready to go. We're gonna throw these chicken quarters on there. We're gonna let these bad boys roll out. Fam, we running steady at 275 degrees. I'm gonna put me another log on there in a little bit. Once we get close about 250, hey, you see that clean smoke right there? You can barely see it. That's what you want right there. Now, it's about time to put another log split because we done hit 250. All right, fam, I just added 2 mini log splits, and you can see right there, 275 degrees, baby. That's beautiful smoking right there. When you learn your pit, just like you learn your car, how to drive it, then you in the game, fam. So it takes practice. Every pit is different. Some 1,000 gallons are a little bit easier to run than some of the offset smokers that you'll buy in, a retail store. But if you learn, your smoker. Like I said, you in the game. It might take, some trial and error, but that's the fun barbecue, right? And we're gonna let these chicken quarters roll out, and when they about ready to sauce, we're gonna come back out here, take a look at them, and we're gonna be in the game. Now we're sitting at about 1 hour and 45 minutes, so we want to get some internal temps. Sitting at about 147 on that one. 142 or so. A smaller one probably be a lot higher. As you can see right there, about 158. So we'll rotate these around. I want to get them up to at least 175 or so. Go ahead and sauce these chicken quarters, and we're going to turn them on this back side first. We're going to get this barbecue sauce on here, and I'm going to let this side cook about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to flip them, and then I'm going to sauce that other side, and then we're going to let them ride out. In about 15 minutes, put another log split on there. Like I said, I'm running some mini splits, so averaging about 20-25 minutes. And we'll get these flipped over. All right, so we're sitting at about 164, right? About 164, 165. Is we gonna sauce this one more time, and I'm gonna turn up this temp. Get some more logs on here. Get that skin nice and crispy. Hey, they look good too. Yes, sir. Look at that right there. Wee. All right, fam. So we sitting at about 350, and we let these go for about 10 minutes or so. Like I said, I didn't want to scorch these, but I wanted to get that skin just a little bit more crispy. Hey, look at this, fam. Yes, sir. Hey, so we're gonna take these off, let them rest, and then we're gonna give this bad boy a taste test. There you have it. You got your absolutely delicious chicken quarters. You already know what we gotta do. Hey, we gotta give this bad boy a taste test. Hey, cheers, fam. That right there, fam, that's delicious. Hey fam, that was absolutely delicious. Had to go in for a couple bites of that. Now, if you're new to the channel and you like my content, hey, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on that bell so you get the notifications as well. Now, for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to smash into these smoked chicken quarters, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.